Let's look at the final question as regards to special questions on calculating of power. So the question says, a pump is used to raise the water from the depth of 200 meters. So we're talking about height, right? We're given the height as 200 meters. Sorry, 20 meters, not 200, 20 meters, right? To fill a reservoir of volume 180 meters. So we have a volume of 180 meters cube, right, in 2 hours. So we're given time as 2 hours. So what will be 2 hours? 1 hour is what? In seconds, right? 1 hour, that will be what? 60 times 60 times 2, right? So that gives us what? 3,600 times 2, right? If we do that, we're going to have 7,200 seconds. That's for 2 hours, right? If 1 hour gives us 3,600 multiplied by 2, we're going to have 7,200 seconds. So converted the 2 hours in seconds. Let's continue. Calculate the power of the pump. We're looking for the power. We're given the power to be calculated of the pump if the density of water is 1,000 kilogram per meter cube and acceleration due to gravity was given as 10 meters per second square. So how do we solve this? Since we are looking for power, it's not hard. We're looking for power. Can I just read the line here just to separate? Since we're looking for power naturally we know now that it's what? Mass times gravity times height over the time taken, right? We're given a height of 20 meters. We're given G was given, time was given. Yeah, we have our time, but then we don't have our mass. But then we have volume. They gave us volume, right? Yep, we're given volume, and what else are we given? We're given time. Naturally, we know that density is what? Mass over volume. That's where we're going to get our mass from, right? If we cross multiply to get the mass, we know that mass is going to be density times volume, right? That's the formula for mass. So if we do that, our mass is now going to be, the value for volume is 1,000 times our volume. There is what? 180. Yes, 180. So if we multiply that, our mass is going to be what? 180,000 kilogram. See, now we've got the value for mass. Our job is just to plug it there, right? Plug it, we've gotten our answer. So by doing that, if we have our value for mass as this, we can then plug it and say the mass now is what? 180,000 times G, which is 10. Our height was given as what? As 20. Yep, as 20. And the time was given as what? 7200. Right, 7,200. So if we take these ones out, what are we going to have? We're going to have 1,800 times 2 divided by 72. If we do that, our value for the power is going to be 360,000 divided by what? By 72. And if we do that, we're going to have 5,000 watts. Right? Or for short, we can say it is 5 kilowatts. 5 kilowatts for short. Simple, right? Your job is just to know the original formula, try and see which relates with which. As for this condition, for this case, density relates with the mass. We're looking for the mass. So if we cross multiply, we're going to get the value for the mass. Our next video will be looking at efficiency in power. Right? Let's look at efficiency in power. If this is your first time of joining this channel, make sure you like, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. It will help us reach a wider audience by doing that. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.